This is Tommy from Streamline Systems. Today we'll be showing you how to use and maintain your Streamflo soft wash system. This guide applies to users of both the 25 litre trolley system and the 120 litre barrow system. Plug the charger into an electrical socket and connect to the battery terminal. Red and green lights will indicate the battery level completion. Fill the tank with mains tap water and screw the cap securely. Attach your telescopic pole hose into the water outlet connection. Press and hold the power button and select the desired flow. To replace your resin, remove the inlet and outlet hose from the DI filter and remove the filter from the bracket. Remove the DI filter head and safely dispose of the spent resin. Refill the DI filter to the filling line and reattach the filter riser and head. Secure the DI filter back onto the system, making sure the inlet and outlet ports are in the correct position.